My name is Robert Carter. I'm from Chicago, born and raised in this city originally. I recently started venturing off, going to different places, and that brought me to the music industry, and that's currently what I do for a living. And you know, being in the music industry, you have to have a certain look and you have to have a smile, and a lot of times, you know, I didn't have that. I had like a chip right here from a while ago. It started off small, and it became bigger over time, and I'm a casual smoker, so I didn't really take care of my teeth, so over time it got really, really bad. I looked online for certain doctors in Chicago. I didn't want to go to a different country or Colombia to get my teeth done, so I found this place, and I seen the work that he was doing. I'm like, man, that's amazing compared to the work I was going to get done in Colombia, because I scheduled an appointment already. Canceled that to come here. He took those teeth out and put a temporary replacement here for it to heal. And I'm having 4 implants and veneers in between. It made a major difference in my life. Like, I'm glad I came here, honestly, because I used to smile like this, and you didn't see my teeth, and it's like, you know, and I always thought, like, if you can't see someone's teeth, how you gonna believe anything they're saying? Certain moments in life, like great, funny moments, like those are moments that before I laugh and before I smile, I have to think about it, because I didn't have a great set of teeth. So a lot of those moments where, you know, it wasn't great. It was great moments, but I couldn't actually enjoy those moments. And I didn't want to keep going in life just covering my mouth when I laughed or halfway smiling. You know, I wanted to be able to express myself more, and it would stop me from, you know, being able to express myself, because that's my teeth and I was embarrassed about showing them. It's a lot easier on me being in public and talking to people, and I'm actually sharing my experience with a lot of people to motivate them. Like, hey, don't be afraid to get your teeth checked up and teeth done, because it goes a long way. If you do it now, you know, you don't have to worry about it later. You have to invest in yourself sometimes, and it's worth it.